everyone, this is Go-Karts, Motorcycles, etc. coming to you with another video. And I've been busy. Done got hot here in Tennessee. Had to cut the old hair off. Alright, let me show you what I've got done so far. Alright, I got the diamond plate cut. Got it put on today. That wasn't too bad. As you can see, the lettering ain't done yet. I've got to go tomorrow and get that put on. And I thought the rims were in bad shape, but all they needed was a good cleaning. That's clean compared to dirty. Alright, let's go inside here. Alright, I got my control box for the lights. There's lights on the inside of the box, and also the fan that's on top. See them lights right there? See all them little holes there? Excuse me. That's what blows all the air through there, through the boxes. And I got my license plate thing put on, LEDs done. Got this side done. They're gonna leave the lettering on right there, but they're gonna put new stuff up here. Got that rim done. These doors on the inside, they were the rivets that started coming out of them. I still got to clean it up on the inside. And then I got my new stickers put on. Actually, I didn't do it. I had ordered them from Amazon, and then they got lost in the mail, and Amazon refunded my $11.49 what do you call it, shipping. But that's what I got done so far. It's just about ready to be put in service. Now up top there's a PVC pipe that goes there. That's what my catch pole goes in, which I still got to buy a piece of PVC pipe long enough, because I got the 12-foot catch pole. But it's looking good. As most of y'all know, there's a lot of people still in lockdown. I hate it for them, because you know, I mean, we the people, 1776, fight against a tyrannical government. Don't let them bully you. Luckily, I got a pretty good governor here in Tennessee. He took into account of people's rights, and a lot of other states have opened up, but there is still those few that are still blue. Come November, y'all should remember all this and vote red. That's the only way we're going to get these fools out of there. Don't take no vaccines, don't get chipped, and don't vote by mail. You know, there's a lot of us that's going to catch this stuff and ain't going to live. But you know, that's the best part of America, you know. We make sacrifices for our country. We always have, always will. So, this is Go-Karts, Motorcycles, etc. Stay healthy, stay well, and maybe we'll all get back to normal.